Hello everyone, I'm Pauline, a dietitian from the National Healthcare Group Polyclinics. Today, we are going to show you how to make simple and tasty recipes with everyday ingredients just under 30 minutes. And we hope that these quick-to-prepare meals can help you achieve your health goals. Today, we'll be making avocado salsa with taco. First, grab 3 medium-sized avocados and cut them into halves, leaving the seeds intact. Rub lemon juice on the cut surface and close the avocados back. Chop 3 cloves of garlic, 7 tomatoes, 8 shallots, and your preferred amount of cilantro. In a large mixing bowl, mix the chopped tomatoes, shallots, garlic, and cilantro. After mixing the chopped ingredients, dice the avocados and add them to the bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and add salt and pepper to taste. Add the dressing into the ingredients and mix well. Serve your avocado salsa on warm taco shells. Bon appetit! We hope you enjoyed this cooking demo on healthy and delicious quick-to-prepare meals. If you'd like to download the recipes, please click on the link or scan the QR code.